Hello, and today I would like to talk to you about past simple. Now, past simple we use for a past finished action that happens in a past finished time. For example, yesterday I went to the cinema. Now, past simple in English is quite easy. Why is it easy? Because we don't have complicated conjugations of the verb. For example, you say I go in the present simple. In the past simple it's I went. For he it's he went. For she it's she went. For they it's they went. It's the whole population of the country went. You don't have to change the conjugation. That's what makes it easy. What makes it difficult? Two things. One, we have regular verbs and irregular verbs. You have to know which verbs are regular and which verbs are irregular. For example, regular verbs, travel, like, talk, finish, walk. All the regular verbs, you simply add ed to the end. Okay, and then you can make it past. So yesterday I talked to my friend. Yesterday I walked 3 miles. Irregular verbs. I'm afraid you just have to learn them. So for example, very common irregular verbs are go. Go in the past is went. The verb be, which does have 2 possible conjugations. It's were for plural and was for singular. Notice we pronounce the were, we often pronounce it were, like we were there for 3 hours, we were there yesterday, we were there last year. Second thing that's a bit difficult about past simple is that the regular verbs, you have to be careful about the pronunciation. If you read a grammar book, you will see that there's 3 possible pronunciations for the regular past. However, I think the best way to think about it is, do you add an extra syllable, yes or no? For example, the verb talk. In the past is talked. Notice we don't add an extra syllable. We pronounce it the t sound, talked, walked, finished. If a verb ends with a D or a T sound, in that case we do add an extra syllable. Why? Just for pronunciation, because it's actually very difficult. If you think of the verb start, which is a regular verb, in the past it started, because it's very difficult to say start, impossible. I will give you some examples, some example sentences. Yesterday we finished work very late. Last week I talked to my mum on the phone 6 times. This morning I got up at 7 o'clock. Notice here I used an irregular verb, and also even though I was talking about today, because now it's the afternoon, the morning has finished, it's past finished time. I think the best way to practice past simple is to see it used in context. If you would like to see past simple used in context, please see our video Holiday Snaps. And if you would like to know more about past simple, how to form negatives and questions, please see our video Past Simple 2. Bye!